Want to feel like a math magician? Learn to square numbers in your head. It's a valuable skill. Squaring numbers helps with measurements, understanding areas, and even solving more complex problems. Don't worry, it's not as hard as you think. With a few tricks, you'll be squaring like a pro in no time. We'll start with easy techniques and then learn some cool shortcuts. Ready to become a calculating whiz? Let's get started. Let's begin with a fun trick for squaring numbers ending in 5. It's a simple yet powerful technique that will amaze you. Take the first digit of the number. Let's say it's 7. This is the key to unlocking the trick. Multiply it by the next whole number, which is 8. This step is crucial for the final result. 7 times 8 is 56, right? Make sure you get this part correct. Now just write 25 after 56. This is the magic touch. Boom! You have the answer. 75 squared is 5625. See, easy peasy, it's like magic. This works for any number ending in 5. Try it with different numbers. Try it yourself with a few more examples. Practice makes perfect. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can square these numbers. It's a fantastic skill to have. Now let's tackle numbers near 50. This method is quick and efficient, making it easier to handle numbers close to 50 without using a calculator. Say you want to square 48. This number is just a bit less than 50, so we can use a simple trick. It's close to 50, right? This proximity to 50 is what makes the calculation straightforward. How far away is it? Let's find the difference. It's 2 less than 50. This small difference is key to our calculation. Square that difference. 2 times 2 equals 4. This step is crucial for the final result. Write it down as 04 to remember it's a small number. This helps keep our numbers organized. Now, since 48 is less than 50, subtract that same difference, 2 from 25, giving us 23. This subtraction is simple yet effective. Write 23 before the 04 we already had. This combination gives us the final answer. The answer? 48 squared is 2304. It's that simple. What if the number is bigger than 50? Let's explore that scenario. It's the same idea but reversed. Let's try 53. This time the number is slightly more than 50. It's 3 more than 50. This small difference will guide our calculation. 3 squared is 9, so write down 09. This step is similar to what we did before. 53 is bigger than 50, so add 3 to 25, giving us 28. This addition is straightforward. Combine that with the 09, and we get 2809. This final step completes our calculation. 53 squared is 2809. With this method, squaring numbers near 50 becomes a breeze. Section 4. Dancing with differences. Ready for another method? This one is both fascinating and practical. This one uses the difference of squares, a fundamental concept in algebra that can simplify complex calculations. It might sound tricky, but stick with me. Once you get the hang of it, you'll see how powerful it is. Let's say you want to square 37. Instead of multiplying 37 by itself directly, we can use a clever trick. Find the number that's the same distance away from 50 but on the other side. That's 63, right? This symmetry is key. Now for the cool part, 37 times 63 is the same as 50 squared, which is 2500, minus the difference squared, 13 squared, which is 169. This method leverages symmetry and simplification. So 2500 minus 169 equals 2331. That's it. A neat and efficient way to get the result. 37 squared is 2331. Impressive, right? This method works because of a cool math pattern. Patterns like these are what make math both beautiful and practical. It might seem strange at first, but with practice, it becomes a powerful tool for squaring numbers quickly. Keep practicing, and soon it will become second nature. Section 5. Your path to speedy squaring. Congratulations. You've learned some awesome tricks for squaring two-digit numbers. Remember, the key is practice. Start with the method you find easiest, and try it out with different numbers. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can do calculations in your head. So, ditch the calculator and embrace the power of mental math. You got this.